CAP Practice Test 2026 Certified Accounting Paraprofessional Exam Questions, Answers, and Test Prep. Question 1. What is the basic accounting equation? Assets equals liabilities equity. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Equity equals assets plus liabilities. Liabilities equals assets plus equity. The balance sheet always balances, A equals L plus E. Question 2. Which financial statement reports a company's financial position at a specific point in time? Income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, statement of retained earnings. The balance sheet is a snapshot of a specific date. Question 3. A journal entry is first recorded in the general ledger, financial statement, general journal, trial balance. Transactions are entered chronologically in the journal. Question 4. Which account has a normal debit balance? Accounts payable, service revenue, cash, common stock. Assets and expenses have normal debit balances. Question 5. What is depreciation? The increase in value of an asset. The systematic allocation of the cost of a tangible asset over its useful life. A type of tax. A bank fee. Depreciation recognizes the wearing out of physical assets. Question 6. Accrual basis accounting records revenue when cash is received, the service is performed or goods are delivered, the bill is printed, the year ends. Accrual accounting matches revenue to the period it is earned. Question 7. What is the purpose of a bank reconciliation? To count the cash in the vault. To explain differences between the bank statement and the company's records. To apply for a loan. To close the bank account. Reconciliation ensures the books match the actual bank balance. Question 8. Which of the following is a current asset? Building, land, inventory, long-term investment. Current assets are expected to be converted to cash within 1 year. Question 9. FUTA refers to which type of tax? Federal income tax, federal unemployment tax, Social Security, state sales tax. FUTA is an employer-paid unemployment tax. Question 10. A credit to an expense account will increase the balance, decrease the balance, have no effect, close the account to zero. Expenses have a normal debit balance, a credit decreases them. Question 11. What is the trial balance used for? To calculate net income. To verify that total debits equal total credits. To pay employees. To report to the IRS. The trial balance checks the mathematical accuracy of the ledger. Question 12. Which ratio measures a company's ability to pay its short-term debts? Debt-to-equity ratio, current ratio, return on investment, gross profit margin. Current ratio equals current assets / current liabilities. Question 13. What is internal control? A way to manage employees' schedules, processes to ensure reliable financial reporting and asset protection. A type of accounting software. The owner's personal budget. Internal controls prevent fraud and errors. Question 14. In a double-entry system, every transaction affects at least how many accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Every entry must have at least one debit and one credit. Question 15. Which of the following is a liability? Accounts receivable, unearned revenue, prepaid insurance, office supplies. Unearned revenue is an obligation to provide service in the future. Question 16. The matching principle requires expenses to be matched with the revenues they helped generate. Colors on the report to match. Debits to match the bank statement. All assets to match liabilities. This is the core of accrual accounting. Question 17. What is gross profit? Total sales minus tax. Total sales minus cost of goods sold. Total sales minus net income. Total sales plus interest. Gross profit equals revenue COGS. Question 18. A W-2 form is used to report independent contractor income, report annual wages and taxes withheld for employees, apply for a business license, file a corporate tax return. Employers provide W-2s to employees in the IRS. Question 19. What does GAAP stand for? General Accounting and Auditing Principles. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Global Association of Accounting Professionals. Governmental Account Analysis Process. GAAP is the standard framework for financial accounting. Question 20. Which document is used to authorize the payment of an invoice, purchase order, voucher, packing slip, sales receipt? A voucher system ensures payments are verified and authorized.